Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at it again with another project. I am sitting with one of my front porch terracotta pots, and as you can see, it is pretty spent at this point, and so we're going to be giving it a refresh. And I decided to use ChatGPT to help me with this design and plant placement, since I was totally impressed with the herb design that it came up with for my whiskey barrel just a few months ago. And if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. Well, this time we're going to be putting together a mix of cool season flowers and some trailing greenery. And so the real question is, can we put this AI design vision to life? We'll keep watching to find out. Now, before we begin, I'm going to be removing some of these old dead plants and making sure that our pot is all ready for the new ones. Oh, it's always a little bittersweet. We're starting fresh, but you almost are a little sad to see some of these go when they do die. But like everything, it's just how it goes. Now this is actually a chrysanthemum. Half of it looks like it's kind of gotten a little bit frostbit, but it still has life in it. And so I'm actually going to keep this guy here. Once the weather continues to warm up, then we're going to see him hopefully bounce back. And then this is a begonia. And my begonias this year are doing really, really well. I started these just from little baby seedlings, and obviously he's thriving. He's doing really well. I'm not touching this guy. I will leave him right here. But we'll finish preparing the rest of our soil and getting this pot ready to plant. Now, in order to give these plants the best start, I am creating a rich, well-balanced soil mix. We're using a 19-inch terracotta pot, which will need lots of nutrients. And so we're going to be adding in some earthworm castings. We're going to be adding some mushroom compost that will help to retain moisture and boost microbial activity, and a few handfuls of raised garden bed mix for aeration and structure, and about a quarter cup of garden tone fertilizer, which is a gentle organic fertilizer to help establish strong roots. So now we're going to talk about the stars of this design. ChatGPT helped me create a color-filled, balanced arrangement with a mix of texture, height, and some trailing elements. And so first we're going to start with the chrysanthemum. We're actually leaving in place for a pop of color and fullness. And then we also have ourselves a snapdragon for some vertical interest, one ranunculus, which who can resist those beautiful petals. We also have some pansies, orange and purple, and beautiful little delicate flowered Scopia Gulliver Blue Bacopa. So this is going to add a nice classic touch to help with some overflows. And then also for our trailing greenery, we also have some English ivy. So I am excited to see this come together. All right, guys, well, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button if you like this content and be sure to subscribe. I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.